How to add notes on Instagram. Open Instagram app on your device and make sure to log in or sign into your account. Tap on the chat icon at the top right corner of the screen to access your chat section. Now select your notes at the top left corner of the screen and then add any note you wish to. You can also mention friends if you wish. So let's add it here. And further, you can also tap on music icon and add any music of your choice. Once you're done with that, you can edit share with followers you follow back option and you can choose to close friends only. Let's tap on done button and then tap on the share icon or button at the top right corner of the screen. In this way, you can easily add notes on Instagram. That's it. I hope this video worked for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.